Saina Anand. Hope you're having a great day. So today I am going to make pancakes. I'm definitely sure that everyone loves pancakes, but we cannot have that regular pancakes every day, full of Nutella and full of chocolate and full of all that junk food. We cannot have it every day. But I have found a recipe full of nutrients, less calories, and delicious, which we can have it every day. Yeah, amazing, right? So we're gonna make a healthy pancakes. Okay, so ingredients that we are using is beetroot atta, which is we are using half cup beetroot atta. Then the second ingredient that we have is jaggery powder, which we are using 1/4 cup. You can change the quantity of jaggery if you like to eat more sweet. You can add a bit more of jaggery. I like to keep it medium, so I've taken 1/4 cup jaggery. Now we have these two, which is one is baking soda and another is baking powder. So we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of both of these, and these are the dry ingredients. Now we have taken half cup of milk and normal milk. And then the last thing that we are using this is optional, by the way, but you can add it for flavor. This is vanilla essence, and you can add for flavor, 2-3 drops of vanilla essence. Okay, so let's start making the batter of the pancakes. So I would like to tell you all that we are replacing beetroot atta with maida, which is very good for health, because beetroot atta has 37 calories, which is very less than maida. And then it has vitamin C, vitamin A, it has lots of minerals, it helps in boosting immunity, and many more benefits. It has lots of folates also, so it's very good for health. Then when you talk about jaggery is a very good replacement of sugar, very healthier replacement of sugar, because jaggery helps in digestion, boosts immunity, it helps in preventing anemia, it has vitamin B, and I think many more benefits. So this is a very healthier option for making pancakes. Then what we are doing right now is we are mixing the ingredients. This is jaggery and beetroot powder, and now we will add 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and baking soda. We'll just mix all the dry ingredients, and we'll just mix. Now what we'll do, we'll add the milk and the vanilla essence, 2-3 drops of vanilla essence. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll whisk it properly and we'll make a flowing consistency batter. Yup, our batter is ready. Now we are going to keep this aside, and we'll just take a non-stick pan. So we'll heat a bit on medium flame. I'm using induction over here. I prefer induction. I like induction. So we'll just heat it up for some time, and then we'll add oil, a bit of oil, and we'll just grease the pan, and then we'll add the batter. So we have greased the pan, and I think it's enough hot. Now we'll add the batter. थोड़ा करके बैटर डालेंगे हम, एक साथ नहीं डालेंगे सारा. just spread it a bit equally. So we'll wait till we see a lot of bubbles. We can add a bit of oil if you feel like. So our tasty pancakes are ready. So now we're gonna add some toppings, and here I have some amazing fruits. So I have oranges, I have plum, I have mangoes. I am a really big fan of mangoes. I really love mangoes. Okay, so why we are adding these toppings? Because fruits are really good for health and better than all those chocolates and those syrups, maple syrup and all. So oranges, you know, are citrus fruits and have lots of vitamin C, and during this time we need to have a large intake of vitamin C. So we're gonna add some oranges on the top of it, and also we'll add plum. Plum also have vitamin C. It helps to heal, and it is really good for eyes. So we're gonna add some plum. We're gonna decorate our cute little pancakes, and we are also going to add mangoes. My favorite. Mangoes have vitamin B, several vitamin B, vitamin A, K, E, and mangoes helps boost immunity, and all the fruits are really good for health. They're just falling. Okay, so I'm just gonna load my pancakes with fruits, all the fruits. Oh my god, they are just falling. So our tasty and yes, healthy pancakes are already loaded with lots of fruits, and now I'm gonna enjoy this, and thank you so much and have a great day.